to this workshop. So today's workshop, I'm just going to run you through Canva and why I think you should start using Canva for most of your designs, if not all. So this workshop is just introducing Canva if you've never used Canva, and if you have, yeah, you can be part of this workshop. So I'm going to show you reasons why I love Canva and show you the Canva app on my laptop to show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's go right in. So why am I qualified to take this tutorial or workshop? I am a social media content creator. I've been a social media manager. I'm a social media freelance manager, video creator. I love to create videos, and I spent the last 9 years in traditional marketing, and then I transitioned into digital marketing in 2016, learning and practicing. I've been learning and doing all the things I've learned in over the years. So today I'm going to be showing you reasons why I love Canva. So if you don't know what Canva is, what is Canva? I'm going to show you what Canva is. Now, as a beginner, Canva is a user-friendly design app that empowers you to create stunning visuals for various purposes. Now, with it has a drag and drop interface that you can easily design social media graphics, presentations, posters, and much more. And Canva provides you a vast library of templates, images, fonts, and design elements to choose from. It makes it simple to customize and personalize your creation. So whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or someone looking to enhance their personal brand, Canva offers a versatile platform to bring your creative ideas to life without the need for extensive design skills. And yes, absolutely, that's what Canva does. Why 10 reasons why I love Canva. Canva has made my life so easy. I don't have to worry so much about creating content because I have Canva, and I want you to love it too because of this reason. The reasons are so many, but these are the 10 reasons I've picked for you right now. Now, it's user friendly. Canva has a user-friendly design platform. Then Canva offers a user-friendly interface with drag and drop functionality, making it easy for individuals to create professional-looking designs without any design experience. If you go on the Canva app right now, you could drag and drop things and then use them, edit them easily the way you like them. And then it helps you to create a brand consistency. Now, Canva provides a wide range of customizable templates, allowing personal brands to maintain consistency across their visual assets, including logos, social media graphics, presentations, and much more. Now, in the Canva app, you can create and start designing, decide on your colors, and then have them organized in your app so you can always repeatedly use them to have a well organized logo or visual presentation of on all your social media platforms. So it gives you a level of brand consistency on the app. Now, number 3, it is time and cost efficiency. Now, Canva has a free version and Canva has a pro version. Canva saves time and money by providing access to a vast library of design elements, images, and fonts. Users can create visually appealing content, quickly eliminating the need to hire a professional design. Yes, if you're a newbie designer, if you're just starting your personal brand or your small business, you can jump right on the Canva app or on Canva on web and start creating designs for your business. You don't have to have a prior knowledge of creating. You could use from the wealth of the library of images and fonts and templates. You can use them to start change it and start creating your own design. It saves you time of overthinking the process and all those good stuff in between. So you're saving time and you're cutting costs by doing it yourself, right? Now, number 4 reason, it's customization opportunity. Now, Canva allows users to personalize their designs. Now, with your brand logos and brand fonts and colors, ensuring that every visual element aligns with their unique brand identity. It helps you customize everything you want to work on inside the app. It has collaboration and sharing. Now, I usually send my design to my team member, to my partner, so he could double check and see where I haven't done things right. So that's collaboration. You can share a design template to people in your team and they could add ideas or delete or do things or suggest things you can do with the template. Canva's collaborative features enable team members to work together on design projects, providing a seamless way to share ideas, gather feedback, and maintain brand consistency across multiple contributors. Yes, like I just explained. Now, Its versatile design options. Canva offers you a range of options. You don't break your head about what do I create right now, because it has everything sorted out for you inside the app. Canva offers a diverse selection of design fonts, including social media posts, banners, flyers, presentation, and more. This versatility allows personal brands to create visually captivating content for various platforms. Yeah, I've been using Canva for ages and I just love to use it. Now, Canva is mobile friendly. I design a lot of my things on my phone, on the go, on the road. Now, with the Canva mobile app, personal brands can create and edit designs on the go. Yes, ensuring that they can maintain an active and engaging online presence from anywhere. So you're not limited or restricted to using your laptop, because you can jump on Canva on your phone and create a simple design and post for your immediate use on social media. Now, social media, it also has social media integration. Canva seamlessly integrates with popular social media platforms, making it easy for personal brands to create and schedule eye-catching posts that align with their brand identity and engage their audience. If you go on Canva and create some template or design, you can directly share the post to your social media apps, because there's an integration on Canva that allows you to do that. If you want to go that route, you can do that. I occasionally share my design, my Pinterest design, directly from the Canva app into my Pinterest. So there's that integration that it offers me. So I like to do that a lot because I don't want to forget my post. So I just create it and share it immediately onto Pinterest. It also has analytics and insights. Canva's built-in analytics feature provides valuable insight into the performance of your designs, allowing personal brands to measure the impact of their visual content and make data-driven decisions. I haven't really explored this particular feature, but if you have, I think if you have the pro feature, pro version of Canva, you can enjoy this feature. Check the insight analytics and see how your designs are actually performing. Now, the last reason why I like Canva, the number 10th reason, is that it has continuous updates and support. Canva consistently updates its platform with new features, template, and design elements, ensuring that personal brands have access to the latest trends and tools to elevate their visual brand. It is forever improving, and when they have a new feature or new on a monthly basis, they send to us, the users, the new feature they have introduced onto the app and show you how to do it and encourage you to try them. So it's a very good platform to design your fonts and design your templates for social media, or even your PDF or your freebies or anything you're working on. You can actually do it on Canva. And additionally, by using Canva, personal brands can create professional, visually appealing designs that help establish and reinforce their brand identity, engage their audience, and stand out in a competitive landscape. So this is all the reasons why I love Canva. So right now I'm going to jump into showing you what the Canva app looks like, but I'm going to be doing it on my laptop. So I'm showing you what the web version of Canva looks like right on my laptop. Stay tuned.